Hi friends, this is Neeraj Javanjal from IFW. I am so glad to share with you all that we are almost on the verge of releasing our first virtual fashion week. IFW, since its inception, we've been always try to innovate things and also do contribute in lot of possible ways where we can make things better for the fashion industry. The purpose of this entire virtual fashion week endeavor is to create positivity, is to add motivation among the different elements of fashion, mainly about the models. What we got to know from our experiences that models mainly, rather modeling as such, is a dependent sector because fashion itself is a secondary sector if comes when it is driven by disposable income of people. Now what has happened over the period of time is when because of COVID there were no sponsors, there were no marketers and there were no expenditure happening from any brand. There were no assignments coming to the models, to the makeup artists, to the photographers and all the people who are associated with this industry, which created a lot of demotivation, which created a lot of depression in the people who are part of this industry. And we wanted to add something to this, positivity to this motivation, to this demotivation rather, and do something new which will add, motivation to the minds of the people who are getting depressed day by day because of there is no work. So we thought, why not voluntarily invite models, why not voluntarily invite people from the sector, that too globally, who can be a part of this virtual show, so that wherever they are they can contribute, whichever part of in the world they can contribute, and that's how this conceptualization started coming. So when our team started discussing these things, this project with models, the set of models we had, the set of models we were in talks with globally, and we got to know from them that these people are so depressed that they wanted to leave the industry, they wanted to go for a job or they wanted to join their businesses back. And if you look at, they really contributed good amount of time and their talent in the industry. We felt that why not motivate these people by engaging them in the virtual show and also tell them that when fashion took care of you in the difficult, in good times, then why not stand by fashion when it's in the difficult times? This particular speech really worked, and people started showing their interest in the participation. Gradually we started working. We have our entire team anyways with us. Our show director Snehal really worked hard in making people understand that how this show is going to work, how you can walk wherever you are, how can you get dressed up, how can you get good makeup done as per the theme, and how and in what particular way and the format you are supposed to walk, you are supposed to pose. She really worked hard on her training these girls, and gradually we started getting the results which we really wanted. Another purpose to come up with this virtual show is to create a new platform altogether for virtual promotions, virtual advertising and virtual showcase of brands and products, even if we are all not physically working. The reason behind this is when we realize that there are so many shows happening, or in the new normal we are having less physical shows, we'll be having less shoots, and how are we going to purpose, how are we going to solve the problem of brand promotions, product shoots, showcases and shows. So we realize that in the new normal for this industry, it is really important that we should come up with some idea where everybody from the fashion industry should keep on getting work. And that is how we realized that virtual shows and virtual shoots could be the future, and that's why we came up with this idea. So how is this going to happen? That when a brand has a new product line to be marketed, we have a set of models with us. Once they get these products which are to be marketed, we will shoot a similar virtual show, similar virtual promotions for all these products from various brands, from various marketers, and then we'll create this creative content. And that is how we came up with this solution, which later when we shared with a lot of industry people, they really liked it, and now we are have a sizable inquiries with us that how we are going to create solutions for different marketers with different brands. We are very excited to collaborate with La Dessert, a lingerie brand from Netherlands, a very famous European lingerie brand, who is all set to enter in India with IFW virtual show. Our distribution arm, Candy Shop India, is going to be the distribution partner, and La Dessert is going to present its newest line with this virtual show. I would like to thank everyone who supported us in this initiative. We really appreciate your time, your involvement, your support. I would like to request you all to be safe in these difficult times and keep doing beautiful work. Thank you so much.